Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is doTERRA Lemon Essential Oil. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Guys, the lemon smells so amazing. It's just so crisp and fresh, and it's just one of my favorite essential oils. There's also 15 milliliters of oil in here, which is about 250 drops, so it goes a long way. It's really great for cleansing and purifying surfaces, as well as providing an uplifting aroma. It's just one of those aromas where you smell this and immediately you just feel better no matter what is going on. Ways you can use this is you can use it topically, you can use it in a diffuser, you can use it in some other ways. It's just a lot of ways you can use this, and the bottle looks great. Everything's great about it. I really love how doTERRA really does a great job on producing these oils, making sure that they are 100% what they say they are, all the testing that they do, and it just gives me confidence in this. And that's my favorite thing about it, guys. It's just how awesome this oil smells, how great it smells, how effective it is, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.